హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు బయోసెఫియాస్ ఛానల్. ఇప్పుడు మనం మృదులా గారి ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాం. వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో లోపలికి వెళ్దాం, వచ్చేయండి. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ మ్యామ్, గివ్ us your introduction.
I'm Mrudhula. I'm basically a HR. So I work for a insurance company that is Sure and Sure. It's an Australian company. And I'm a passionate gardener and I love cooking also. Two of my favorite passions.
Since how many years you started gardening?
From my childhood I've been doing gardening.
Okay. Can you show what plants you are growing?
Yeah, definitely. This is money tree plant, and it's according to my Rasi, this plant is very favorable to me. That is one of the reasons that I have this.
Okay.
And then this is money plant that you as usual you know.
Yes ma'am.
And then this is a sweet orange. This is you can eat it as it is, okay, with the skin. It's
okay,
very tasty, and you can grow it in small containers.
Okay ma'am.
And this is like pomegranate, and then this is sweet lime or table lime.
Okay.
And these are few of my succulents and as well as some random plants. This is golden pothos. Okay. And this is a small miniature garden I tried to make it. Okay. So this is ZZ plant. This is called mother-in-law's tongue, as you might be knowing. And then there are three variations of mother-in-law tongues. Miniature garden. You can see
Where did
that.
you get all these plants from ma'am?
Few of my friends have gifted me because I love plants.
Okay.
And some I bought through the nursery.
Acha, okay. What is your favorite plant in this?
My favorite is ZZ plant. It is very easy to propagate this.
Okay ma'am. What is its specialty?
It's again a vastu.
Acha.
It's very favorable for
You are
my
more
son.
into astro.
This is a succulent. This is also one of my favorite succulent.
Okay, what
again,
is its name ma'am?
I don't know the name. It's just a succulent. I don't know the names of the succulent. It's very difficult to remember the succulent names.
Yes, ma'am. You're growing different types of plants in one large pot.
Yes. This is anthurium, and this is peace lily.
Okay.
And this is mother of millions.
Okay.
With this single plant, we have all the things that will come up, and we can make 1 million plants from this.
Okay, we can
single
propagate
plant.
with one single plant.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So this they both don't need much of sunlight, and it can grow without water for at least a week or so.
Indoor plants, ma'am?
Yeah, indoor plants.
Yeah.
So I just kept it under shade. All these are like indoors. This is like my monstera. This is also one of the creeper that one of my favorite auntie has given me.
Gifted you. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the big tulsi plant. I tried to make it a huge one. Let's try how it comes up.
What is your favorite plant, ma'am? Among all these?
All are like my babies. I cannot just pinpoint on one particular plant that it is my favorite. I love all of them. They are all like my babies.
Okay.
This is a rubber plant. This is again an indoor one. That's why I kept under a shade.
You can అంటే ఇంట్లో లోపల ఇండోర్లో పెట్టొచ్చు కదా మ్యామ్?
Yeah, indoor la pettachu, but some of the insects come. So and my husband and I have a passion for plants, but my family is like they are not that much into plants.
Okay.
So
what are you using for this, ma'am? Like potting mixes or fertilizers?
yeah,
manuals?
I've taken from Biosephia only all the potting mix and the fertilizers from here. It's actually very easy. Before it was very difficult for me to mix all the ingredients and then put it into the plant. But as a package, I can just sprinkle it, and then the result is very good.
Okay, you're using soil-less potting mix or soil-based?
I've used soil-less potting mix for my succulents.
Okay.
Without mud, it is like really difficult for the plant to grow. Every plant has its own. It needs its own potting mix.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So these are some of the syngoniums, and this is dragon fruit again.
Dragon fruit. Okay.
This again a friend has given it to me. These are small cuttings, and through that it propagates.
Propagates. Okay.
And this is star fruit. This is a star fruit, and you can see the flowering. It has a beautiful flowering, which again comes into a
Fruits, ma'am.
yeah. The star fruit is very nice, and you don't get it in the market.
Okay.
I mean, on a regular basis. And this is another type of syngonium, and this is spider plant.
For these all you are using Biosephia
Yeah,
solid mix,
yeah,
ma'am?
yes.
Okay.
This is I try to propagate some of the methi and coriander, and this is green chili.
Okay.
And this again lemon, and this is mango. This is a guava tree, and you can see a beautiful guava that is coming up. It's called Taiwan guava.
Taiwan. Okay. Taiwan variety, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. What is your favorite product in Biosephia, ma'am?
The potting mix.
You're using PNS?
Yes. This is another butterfly plant, which is like it comes up, it dries, and again if you leave the pods inside, it again blossoms, so you don't have to really worry about this plant. This is a very beautiful plant, one of the very beautiful plants that I have.
It needs less attention.
Yeah, yeah, a kind of.
You're making best out of the waste.
Yeah, this is again a paint box that I just try to make. This is Woli art. I'm like into all arts, like art and gardening and cooking and stuff.
You even like painting, ma'am?
Yes, I like painting also. You can see few of them here also. This is Shankapushpam plant, which is very, it's having very medicinal values. You can make a green tea out of it.
You will make green tea?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is very useful for everyone. And then this is a very unique plant. This is like as you have kala jamun, but you get white. So this is white jamun.
Okay.
So this is one of the rarest ones. The 1 year. So probably it
You
will,
got it from nursery, ma'am?
Yes. Like this is all random plants that I have. This is again this is orange bells that I have.
Orange bells.
Yeah.
It yet to bloom, ma'am?
Yes, yet to bloom. I've just planted it about a month ago.
Okay. And what is this, ma'am?
This is Pochlaka.
Looks like.
This is yellow one. It only comes in the day. It closes in the evening.
Okay.
This is, as you know, this is Sadabahar, which is very useful for sugar patients. If you eat them, then your sugar levels will come down.
Flowers, ma'am? We have to eat
You have to eat the flowers.
Okay. Aloe vera.
This is aloe vera. This again has many beauty secrets
Yes,
as well as
yes, we can also eat it.
yeah.
Okay.
This is again an insulin plant. So this is very useful for sugar patients. Like you have it one leaf, and then your sugar levels will be good for that day.
Oh, directly consuming leaf.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the flower for that. You get a beautiful yellow flower for this.
Yellow flower. Okay.
This is, as you know, this is double petal jasmine.
Okay.
And then you have, this is called the elephant ears.
Elephant ears. Okay.
This is called the elephant ears.
And this is of rose.
Rose,
Which
yeah.
color rose, ma'am?
This is like slight orange shade. Months ago, I've harvested it many a times.
Oh, already harvested.
A rose one. This is like natural one which we used to get. This has very beautiful smell.
Okay. And what is this tree, ma'am?
This is random some kalpu mokka.
Oh, that is of weed. Okay.
Because of the rains, we have many weeds coming up. So this is again a weed, but it is very good. This is called pulichintaku, which we can use it for our dal. It is very sour in taste, and it is very it's also having many medicinal values, though it's a weed.
Okay. This is what? Kagadamalli, ma'am?
Yes, it is Kagadamalli.
Okay.
You can see some of the buds that
Normally
are coming.
when it blooms, ma'am, in winter or?
Yeah, it winter. I mean, all throughout the year it blooms.
Oh, okay. How did you get introduced to our Biosephia's products, ma'am?
Like I've seen, I've come through in Facebook. You have many gardening groups. I'm into you. So one of the group, like we collect seeds and we try to put them into the forest. I mean, as you see that all the animals in the forest are coming out of it. So we try to put some fruit seeds that we randomly eat in house, and we just try to propagate them, and then we try to give it with one of our friend from the YouTube or groups is very much into it, that building, I mean, having more of fruit plants in the forest is
She
like.
introduced to you about Biosephia, okay, ma'am. How are you using Biosephia's products in your potting?
Yeah, definitely I use Biosephia products, the fertilizers.
How much quantity you are using?
It depends on the plant, that how much it needs. Accordingly I put.
Okay.
So for this plant, like it is a huge container. So for this plant, I can put little more.
Yes.
Say about quantity I can increase.
Okay, ma'am.
This is Ganneru Chittu, which is like you can just keep it and it automatically blooms into beautiful flowers, and it's very, I mean, you don't have to take much care of it.
Yes, ma'am. This is of pink color.
Yes, it's of a pink color. This is Munaga Chittu, drumstick. As you know, this is also having very medicinal, a lot of medicinal value.
You are using this for fruits or leaves, ma'am?
I'm using it for leaves.
Okay, yeah.
Because as it is, you can see that it didn't grow big, because it's like a social service. Like many of them come and pick it up and go.
Okay.
So this is like outside one is for social service, and I have 2 more plants which is inside. That is for us. Having lot of medicinal value, and now. You know, as in, you know about the COVID situation, and you have to build your immune system.
Yes,
this
is useful for immunity.
If you have 1 leaf and pepper, for that day, you you will. I mean, your immunity level is good. You have to daily have 1 leaf of the pepper.
Okay, ma'am.
This is also when actually it is when it is like a bud, it looks even more beautiful.
Okay. You are using PNS, no, ma'am? How are you applying PNS to the plants?
I just try to dig outer layer and just sprinkle some of it, and then again close it with the soil.
Okay.
So, and because it releases energy, I mean, once in 15 days I try to give the manure to it.
Once in 50 days. Okay, ma'am. You'll apply for all the plants, ma'am?
Yes, definitely. You can see the color change in them. Before they were not that bright. So, but now
PNS, your flowers are bright. Okay.
Even the leaves texture is like bright. Very Indian gooseberry.
Okay.
This is again one more danima that I have. Pomegranate one, and this is Indian gooseberry.
These all are recently planted?
Yeah, this is all about 8 months old.
8 months old, okay.
And this is Thai basil, which is one of, this is called Kasturi Tulasi also.
Okay.
So it's very, I mean, this is also having a lot of medicinal value. And then if you are coming...
For what you will use, ma'am?
You can use it in all the, I mean, all the varieties. You can just put 2 of the leaves in any of the biryanis. It will taste beautiful. You can, or any rice that you are making, rice ingredients, you can just use it, or just in salads you can use it.
Okay, ma'am. I will use for rice and salads.
Yeah. And this is Ranapala. This is also very good for health. I mean, this is also having a lot of medicinal values. This is called Ranapala.
You are having more medicinal plants in your garden.
Yeah.
What is this plant, ma'am?
It's a temple Ganneru, that is called. I mean, it's a croton kind, and I mean, you can see one more huge plant that I have.
Okay, there at the entrance.
This is Mared Chittu, like
Lord Shiva's favorite plant. Okay.
Yeah. And this is like a pink flowers, you get it. So this you can make like a bouquet also of this flower.
Okay.
Watering place, like I have 2 points and I try to give it through pipe.
You yourself give watering, ma'am?
Yeah, I said they are my babies, so I can just
You especially take care of them.
Yeah, whenever I go out, like it is like as if I'm leaving something, and it's very difficult for me to leave my plants and go out. Any outstation I go, it's very difficult. Sompu
Yes,
chettu.
ma'am. Som.
You can have that. This is some random beautiful flowers, and this is fennel seeds. This is fennel. Sompu.
You'll use it, ma'am.
Yeah, you can taste it. It is very. I mean, you have that sweet
What
flavor.
is this plant, ma'am?
This is a rain lily.
Rain lily, okay.
This is of pink shade.
It blooms during rainy season.
Yes,
ma'am?
it only blooms in the rainy season. This is beetle leaf or tamalpaku, which is like after using Biosephia products, it like bloomed very well.
You'll use it for pujas and all, ma'am?
Yes. I mean, it's very good for digestion also. You can simply have one beetle leaf, and your digestion problems will be solved for that day.
Okay.
This is a total plant which has beautiful, I like this pink leaves.
Nice color, yes, ma'am. And what is this, ma'am?
Purple color flowers come out of this,
Okay.
and it's also very beautiful. Pink shade, and
It is
it,
of 5 petals, ma'am?
yeah, it's a 5 petals. It blooms very big after using your product.
Okay.
This is 5 petals, and this is red color. This is parijatam,
Parijatam, okay.
but there are no flowering to this of right now.
Okay. It's of how many years old, ma'am?
It's about 8 months old.
8 months old. Okay. Like how many years it takes to bloom?
Even I have no idea, but probably it should come up. It should come up sometime now.
Okay.
And this is again another snake plant.
Snake plant, okay.
And this is orange hibiscus.
Orange hibiscus.
And this is another beautiful plant. This is called mixed herbs. That is, if you put one leaf into any of your curries, that is non-veg curries, it gives all the flavors of all the spices.
Okay.
Even if you tear it, you can feel the spice flavor of all the like cinnamon, clove, and
We need not use any other spices,
spices.
ma'am? Okay. Yes, ma'am. It smells good. They're all hanging pots.
pot. This is like a green turtle vine. If you just keep a small node also, it just comes up like anything, propagate, and it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful.
Yes,
I mean, it needs very low maintenance actually.
Okay. What are you using in these pots, ma'am?
In all pots, I use
Biosephia soil.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
You're
this is
having different types of-
this is another 2 types of syngonium. All the 3 I have. This is pink. There's a pink. There's a white, and then this is another kind of syngoniums that I have.
3 different types of
Yeah,
syngoniums.
This is purple leaf one,
Okay.
and then
You're
this is
having another money plant.
this is not money plant. This is called a pancake plant. It looks like a pancake. It also, even with a small node, it comes beautifully.
Okay.
And then this is another money plant, and then
You get all these from nurseries, ma'am, usually?
this is all through cuttings.
Cuttings, okay.
All through this is through my friends cutting only I
Okay,
got
you
there.
brought from there.
I mean, whoever are plant lovers, they are very difficult to get cuttings from them also. So this is a black shaded turtle vine. This is called the sun rose.
Sunrose.
This is I have 2 varieties. One is white and one is red.
Okay.
This is the pink syngonium. Again, this is an art that I made. Tried to make a mandala art of it. This is like a planter that I made. This is Surf Excel. If I have to use
liquid.
Surface Excel liquid bottle I have used.
And you have cute pots too, ma'am. Very little parrots and all.
Yeah. This is beautiful fern. This is asparagus.
Oh, asparagus. Okay.
And this is turtle. This leaf is heart shaped. This is also very easy to propagate.
How is our Biosephia service?
It's very prompt, and within couple of days you serve it. Service is very good. Product is good. That's why it made my life very easy with the plants.
Do you introduce our Biosephia to any
Yeah,
of your friends, ma'am?
some of my friends actually used it.
You are having any suggestions to Biosephia?
You can little more improve for succulents and other plants. I mean,
We are
you
having
can.
succulent mix for succulent.
Yeah, you have succulent mix, but you have all the products mixed together, no? I mean, if I need only charcoal or active charcoal, or I mean, individually also you can sell it.
One word about Biosephia, ma'am.
It's a nice product. I can definitely see a change in my plants. They are all happy with the product.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, basically you are a working woman. How are you managing both work and at the same time how are you maintaining your gardening?
It's my passion. So even though I have a few not much of time, but still I try to do it myself. That's why Biosephia products come in handy.
You're using Biosephia for products not to waste too much of time. in this.
Because I mean it's difficult to maintain so many plants and then work and then home. So I find it easy in that way. Saraswati plant, and which is very good for memory.
You are using, ma'am?
Yeah, I've just planted this for my son so that he has beautiful memory. This is Brahmakamalam flower. This is also very rare, and it does like
Which blooms once in 12 years.
12 years. That is what I've googled it and learned. But this is also very rare occurrence that the flower comes up. It's just 20 days that I've just planted this leaf. So I'm very happy and excited that I've got a bloom.
You're lucky enough that within 20 days you got your bloom.
All because of Biosephia.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for spending your valuable time with Biosephia.
Most welcome.
Space is not a constraint if you're passionate about your garden.
Biosephia.